Hey, good morning, everybody. What is it, the 14th of May? Unbelievable. I might be off on that one. Hey, it's early morning here in Arizona. This is Orr. I'm ready. It's chop day, people. Chop day. Look at this. You gotta have a nice, clean, ice filled. This is a daily ritual. I really like this. If you, I think it's called, I say this every time, Gilly Glass. Really nice. I've had it for a couple of years. This actually fell on the freaking floor one time. Check that out right there. Nice little gold. There, can you read that? Look at that. Gilly glass with a horn. All right, this video will take some time. All right, see you later out at the 3x3, wherever. I'll be there.
Hey, how's everybody doing out there? This is Zora over near Surprise, Arizona, between that and the White Tank Mountains. Not to be confused with the beautiful White Mountains, where it would be excellent to grow up there. Uh, there are people that do and are quite successful at it. Anyhow, it's chop day here. We've got four uh, plants, auto flowering plants that are about, from planting day, they're about 92 or 93 days old. So they're well, probably past their harvest time, but nonetheless, that's what we're going to do. So I have it set up right here. I'm hopefully this little cup right here will hold it, and I'm going to get a wet weight with the stems and everything. So let's do it. Let's see if I can. I can. I don't know if I can do this or not with one hand. We're going to try though. All right. You know how this goes, guys. It's always tough. All right. Right there. Timber. Well, it's got some heft to it, definitely. So let me pause this real quick. All right. All right, here we go. I'm going to kind of squish them down like a bouquet of flowers. And here, I better grab it up by the top here. Hold on. And let's slip her right down. Whoops. Slip her right down in there. Oh, that'd be a nice bouquet to give anybody. And we're at 110.46 grams. Let me write it down here in my fancy notebook. 110.46. All right. We'll take her out and lay her down there and take a better look. That's a nice cola here. Hold on. This is going to be a mess today. But let's lay her up against the rock star right there to give you an idea how big it is. Nice. All right, on to the next one. All right, we're still zeroed out. I got her hanging right there. And let's bring this one in right here. All right, here we go. Kokomo. Oh, shit. Get that out of the way. And hello, frog. Taking away your shade. Chop. There it is. Still has a staple on it. All right, let's bring her right over here. Whoops. All right, let me get that out of there. Okay, we're still at 0. And I'm gonna dip her down in there. Okay, hold on. Hold on, bring it right over there. About 100.52. Let's just go 100.52. 100.52 is close enough. All right, be right back. Hey, they're small plants, but these colas on this. Let's take a look at that. You stretch it. There we go. Come right around the corner there. I'm laying it right on top of that can. Yeah, those are some nice colas, or a nice. Each one has a pretty damn nice cola. All right, on to the next one. Sorry about the the video work. Having a good time though. Got that beast hanging. I'll turn the lights out. They're way down now, just so you can see in there, but they'll be off. And I'm going to put the humidifiers right in the middle and crank those fucks up all the way. All right, it is time for the next one here. Let me grab my, and I'm going to use the, from here on out, the Rockstar to show you what the main cola is. Some nice little colas through here too. It's really nice. I like the way this plant looks. So here we have, and I'm glad I didn't chop that one because I got it out of order here. Do I? No, Crazy Black Girl. Already did her. Yeah, I'm good. Jesus. Hey, I better take another bong hit. I'm not crazy here. Yeah, I am crazy about this shit. Oh, it's tough, isn't it, guys, to chop these fuckers down? Hey, gotta love it though. That ought to get me through. All right, now I know where I'm at. This is the Crazy Girl, way in the back there. Here we go. Let's do it. Chop, chop. I only have one take on these, so as corny as I'm sounding, it doesn't fucking matter. All right, and there they go, or there she goes. Again, these are just, they're short. Boy, they stink. Let's take a comparison here on that main cola. Let's get, whoops, shit. Get this out of the way. Wait, there we go. See, not quite as long, but it's fat. It's fat. Let's see what it's weighing here. Damn, you gotta follow the fucking, here, I'm gonna dip it down in. 105. 105. Crazy Girl in the back left. Where's my pen? There it is. All right. 105. All right. Let's take a look see here. Let me grab this one right here. I know people don't like to. That's a nice big cola. All right. Last one. Let me pause this. Okay, I got the Crazy Girl back there hung up. Let me turn the lights up and just see what it all looks like. I don't know if that really helps or not. Yeah, they're done. All right, last one coming up. Here we go. Crazy Girl number 2. Sorry, Frog. Here. Like my dad said, if they bury me, make sure it's face up in case I start digging. So yeah, there you go. And here we go. Let me look here. This has got a nice coal on it right here. I'm guessing, this is going to be tough. 80 wet grams with stems. Chop. Maybe not that much. Let's get a size comparison here. Let me layer down there. 16-ounce Rockstar. That's a good size brick. And here, let me bend you back there. Looking good. Okay, it's 0, still 0. Let's stick her down in there. All right. I said what? Oh, I'm way off. 67 grams wet stems and all. All right. All right, everybody. There it is. They're down. They're up. They're cut down, chopped. All of the above, huh? I'll miss this. The problem is that I really can't grow anything. It's too late to actually plant outside. I was planning on doing it, but I wasn't going to let these go to almost 100 days. So yeah, there they are. And here's the total weight. For the first one is 110.46 grams. That was a Crazy Black Girl up in the front left. And 100.52. The Crazy Girl back left, 105. And the Crazy Girl back right, the Trident 67. Total that up at 382.98. Now, I don't know if you count on about 75% we're gonna lose out of this. We only have about a quarter of what the weight is. I don't know. Somebody might want to comment, and then I can figure out about what I have. All solid nugs. Solid. Anyhow, there you have it. Hey, have a great day. I'll still be putting up shit on the channel. I've got so many pictures of trichomes that I haven't put up, and if I have, I couldn't remember. And pictures of plants and rocks and fossils and meteorites and all kinds of shit. So, yeah, I'll be doing that until about mid-August, where I'll have another go at the grow number 12. It's going to be photos. Get some seeds, and I'll be ready to go. And new soil, of course. I think this soil actually had an effect on the size of these girls. And I kept the light up. I kept it on 20, off 4. And there were periods of times when it was getting up pretty warm in here, and it put the air conditioner to the test. But anyways, hey, later, guys. Have a great day. I'll be back. Yep, Red Rider.